Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and there's one easy tutorial for beginners today where I'll be showing you my method on how I shade realistic eye. In this video I'll be using some graphite pencils of grade HB, 2B, 4B and 6B, one smooth paintbrush, blending stump and Tombow Mono Zero eraser. Now look at the basics of the eye drawing. The outer circle here is eyeball and the middle circle is iris and the inner circle is pupil. Following the iris there are two lids. This is the upper eyelid and this is the lower eyelid. Now following by the eyelashes. Now after the basics of the eye drawing, one must give importance to the light source. Suppose in this drawing this is the light source and the light is coming towards in this direction, then the highlighted area will be above pupil and this will be created as the depth area. Now let's start it with some basics. Basic drawing is completed. Now I will start shading from lighter shade to darker one. First I shade the iris part. Now I am using HB pencil for shading base layer. I will then gradually increase the grade of the pencil for creating darker tones. Iris base shading is completed. Now blend it with the blending stump. Now using 2B pencil, shade the upper area to create depth as the light is coming from the upper direction. Continue blending with the blending stump, and after 2B we will be creating one layer of 4B pencil for more darker shade, then finalizing it with the final darker tone of 6B pencil. Also darken the pupil area and highlight in the lower area using Tombow Mono Zero eraser. Now darken the upper eyelid and lightly shade the portion inside the eyelids using HB pencil and blend it using stump. Now shade the upper and lower eyelid portion going from lighter shade to darker shade and use paintbrush for blending it smoothly. Now using dark 6B pencil, create strokes for the eyelashes. Remember, eyelashes have curvilinear shape, so the strokes should be in that shape, merging into each other, and give it a finish with smooth blending. This is how one can shade the realistic eye. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more such tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.